We're outside of our pilot and we are rolling this out to the rest of our new claim team. They are literally selling it to the rest of the examiners. Like, guys, you cannot wait to use this. This is going to be great. This is how you look at the summaries. This is how you prompt it. This is how you ask questions. So the rest of the eligibility staff, they're excited about using it now. And they were like, I can't believe it summarized all of this data within seconds and it returned this summary. And the summary would have links in there for them to go to certain pages. And so they were very excited about it. So if there is a specific visit, so it summarizes out all the visits. So if they've had 10 visits throughout the year, it will summarize, it'll list all 10 of those visits for you, and it'll give you a high level summary overview of each of those visits. And then you can click on a link that will then take you directly to the page for that particular visit. Yeah, we've had such great feedback, especially when they get large medical record files. Just recently, we had a medical record file that was like 2,500 pages, and they could not wait to upload that into the model for it to summarize it for them. And so we've had great feedback from the staff. They love it. We've introduced it to all of our new claim team. They're in training now. We have some individuals that are using it, but our ongoing eligibility team, they can't wait to use it. They're like, when is it going to be our turn? I will say, so when we first started utilizing this AI model, we pulled some claims, some examples of some claims, and we ran them through the model. We had not built our full summary template. We just kind of, pulled a bunch of different claim requirements. We uploaded them into the model and we looked at, how it summarized the data. And it summarized the data quickly for us, like I said, within seconds, and then how it summarized the data. And when we knew that we could customize this based off of, certain templates and things that we use in our process today, we were like, wow, this could save us quite a bit of time. And then not only the time savings, but just how it would call out certain things in the claim that it would take users, an extensive amount of time to find out or review. I was like, this would actually help with our quality as well. So we did our due diligence in the beginning, and we utilized several different claim files as examples, running them through the model to make sure that we were going to gain the ROI that we anticipated before, deciding to go live. More plug and play. It was not a heavy IT lift for us. We access the Nomad model, we upload, I keep saying using the word ingest, we upload our claim requirements. The summary then can be downloaded into a PDF. You can have API capabilities or system integration capabilities where then you can return, your customization, your summary, or however you customize the model for you, where you can have that integrated directly into either your claim file, your workflow system. And so for us, it's directly into our workflow system.